Welcome back to Big Pharma. All right, it's been a while since we played this one. We're going to play it again. Let's go. There's so many scenarios. We're going to go for even more money. And they've added this perk system. I'm going to stick with this one, which is the multi-mixer and centrifuge process time is 1. Normally it's 2, so it takes twice as long, which means you have to split the belts and use 2 machines. We're going to take the multi-mixer option. And then... oh, there's some other things that they're giving me access to. Start the game with an additional 50 grand. Let's stick with mixologist. And then this one... better sales rating with no active side effects. All right, we'll just go Infinity Inc. And here we go. Let's start off with an extremely small factory floor. We're going to jump to the research. I'm going to hire a couple scientists. I know I like to get the analyzer. Let's go big on scientists. So we're going to get these ionizers and this basic auxiliary so we can get the analyzer. And then I know I'm going to want some more ingredients, so we're going to go on a hiring spree, like any good startup. $5 grand to hire those folks. Woo. It's a lot when you only have 50 grand. All right, we're going to let that run, believe it or not. I want to see what the additional ingredients are looking like. Let's take a look at the current cures. Sexual health, removing warts, female contraceptive. So this one has an active range and the strength can be between 1 and 10. If you want to get female contraceptive, you have to take this ingredient and get it within this range after you've upgraded it, which means you have to get this ingredient to this range, then hit it with the ionizer, then it becomes this. But of course, this removes warts for 130, and this is a female contraceptive for 263. So this is a more expensive drug, but you have to balance all that. And that's based off of whatever ingredients you have access to, which in this case has the side effect of blood pressure and a side effect of...
a competitor has released a new product.
Dry mouth. Okay, our competitor's in antidepressants land.
Research complete.
All right, let's stop this for a second. Booster, 30% sales boost if the drug is in the pain relief family. Interesting. So it's fast acting, positive booster effect. We've got a bunch of research done. Obviously, if I can get into the pain family, I would probably want to do that. Ease migraines. Yeah, these come with so many negative effects, though. There's only one thing on this whole board that I can currently remove. And it's this. But this antidepressant piece, in order to upgrade it, we would need to have a catalyst that we don't have access to. That's a brutal. I can't remove any of these things. Painkiller and antihistamine. The only reason why I'm looking at that is because this is out of the range, the effective range. So the induces nightmares won't be active. So that's something. So I could move this So each one of these drugs has has 4 slots. Slot 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then when you combine things or mix things, whichever one you choose to keep stomps on the other one. So if I combined these two together, going this way from right to left, this induces nightmares at the 1 slot would stomp on Painkiller. So we wouldn't want to do that. But if we could go this way, this Painkiller would stomp on this nightmare. So we would have +1 Painkiller here, nothing in 2, this positive in 3, and then we'd have this side effect in 4. If I really wanted to try to get this, it's gonna be an extreme... It's gonna be an extreme pain to get this to work. I think I can get it though. If I combine this and this, that would be -1, -2, +3, +4. It's almost like they know. I can improve this. Let's see what happens if I improve this Painkiller. Ease migraine, 5 to 9. Ideally, I would have 2 good things in 1 and 2 slots. And then the 4 slot would be empty. If I move this down 1, this moves up to the top. Ooh, I think that's it. If I shake this once, okay, we need to do more research. Shaker, we know we want the mixer. If I shake this down 1, if I move this down 1, it'll be in this spot. Then we move both of these over, or we move this one over this way. That would have induced nightmares at the top, Painkiller, and then Antihistamine. Then if I shake this up 1, and then combine it all, that'll be +1, +2. We'll dodge this, and then it'll be fast acting. Okay, I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna do that, but I think I've convinced myself that there is in fact a plan to be had. Cures. Ease migraines 5 to 9. So let's get this going. Painkiller.
Insufficient funds.
Gonna have to buy some more floor space. 7 to 10. Look at that. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. We have to drop it 4 times. I'm going to do it. It's going to cost us some serious floor space, but I'm going to do it. Four, then hit it with the evaporator. Okay. Now we're at 10. If we hit it with the evaporator. So at this point, it goes in. Then it comes out as a migraine cure, or an ease for migraines. Okay, so now we're at +1, -4. I move you down 1. Shakers take twice as long. Oh, we haven't researched it yet. We started the research, but it's not done. It's going to cost us every step
A
of the
competitor
way.
has released a new product.
We're going to have to take another loan. So while these guys are idle, they're researching, making better contacts, which would cause us to reduce our import costs. So we're going to put both of those there. Let them keep researching, making connection, wheeling and dealing. All right. Now, shakers. Right, processing time on this is 2. Processing time on most machines is 1.
A competitor has released a new product.
Dry mouth at 1, ease migraine at 2. So that's -1, +2. -1, +2. Then we mix that way. We'll only connect one of these to start. just so we can confirm. All right, yeah, so we want to primarily sort of combine with this one. Antihistamine, huh? Let's take a look at that antihistamine here. Oh yeah, that's way out of range. I was thinking about upgrading that, but we don't need to. Won't help us. All right, so now those have been mixed. It wouldn't hurt to know. It wouldn't hurt to know what our best strength is. Oh, I haven't researched the analyzer yet. Boo. Luckily, it only takes a month. We'll knock that out real quick.
A competitor has released a new product.
Okay, let's take a look at our competitors. They sell a lot of stuff, usually low quality. Antidepressant removes warts. Antidepressants. Where are we? We're in the antihistamine painkiller business. All right, so we've got -1, -2 here that we want to get rid of. We want to keep slot 4 open. Let's see where we are. Oh, that's so good. That's amazing. We're gonna send some of our result into the analyzer to figure out what our best strength
Analysis
is.
complete.
Of course, it figured out what the...
Analysis complete. Analysis complete.
There we go. So the best strength, if it's going to be antihistamine, is going to be -2, and the best strength for this is 9. So I think we're going to go with 8, as it is primarily a pain relief drug. So now we need to import. So much easier if you import from here. Then you can choose which port you want to import it. Like that. Then we'll drop in. Pretty sure we want to focus on this one. We'll mix you in. Now we just need to bump up our concentration, our strength, to our target, which we said was 8.
Insufficient funds.
One more loan. That's +6 plus 1. That's 7. Just checking to make sure we don't have anything that's going to cause it to change the cure. Looks like we're okay. And then we'll increase the concentration one more time. Then we'll make it into a pill. Pills take 2, so we'll split that and then recombine it at the end.
Invalid position.
Thank you.
Product name required.
There we go. Our first product. We processed this so
New
hard.
world event.
We processed this so hard, we're making 12 bucks. We'll have to fix that. Infinity Fast Acting Headache Away Allergy Soother. Yeah, it's a name only a mother could love, but it's correct. Alright, so we've got research points. We've got to drop the costs. If we look at this, we've processed it so hard that we're making $12 per pill. That's not enough. Let's get over here. Oh, we gotta wait till we start selling some of them. Okay. I think we need to increase the price by 25% to start. And then we need to research. Now it's a matter of sort of crushing our costs, right? So we've got 2 multimixers. We could save $3 per pill for every upgrade times 2, so that's $6 per pill. We've got 2 shakers, same thing. This increases the price by $3. I think we should hit everything at level 1. And we've got 2 more options. This is 2 machines, 2 machines, 4 machines, but that's only saving us $1. So $6, $6, $4, $2, $6, $6. Let's increase the price and then we'll cut the cost. Then we're over here. We're going to use our research points to reduce the import costs. Let's see, this one's got 2 upgrades already. We'll upgrade these 2 evenly. Let's keep going with the fast acting. Let's let that run a bit. Now our profit's up to $108. Sales status. So we're making 0.6 per day and we're selling 0.6 per day. As long as we're selling through, I think we're fine. Keep reducing our costs through research. Is this making money? we're selling through. We're going to keep pushing the price until the market tells us that we're pushing it too far. Sales reps might be a good idea as well. Advanced delivery is so expensive. But we are in the drug game, so research is part of it. Let's see. Cures. Migraine. So we're out here all by ourselves. There's 5 per day that go unfulfilled. I could theoretically build out another one of these. If I have the money. Let's see, 4 evaporators, that's 2,500, 3,000, 2 shakers, 13,000, 20,000, pill makers, 34,000, algos, 40,000. I could just barely do it. So the plan would be to make another line for this and then keep researching to crush our costs. Make that cheaper. And then we're going to build this again. So we need 4 of these. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go here. The shapes of these machines are a nightmare. On purpose, obviously. It's gonna be tough to figure out the placement of all this. Gotta come out here. No real other option. Yeah, I'm starting to realize we might not have enough space for all this. It's gonna be close. Then we're gonna mix in. Try to save as much space as we can, I guess. I think this one's opposite. Let's try it. We'll run a little test on the side here. That one is this part. Mix the two results of these initial shakers. We want this to be Pro Nightmares, it looks like. Yep.
A competitor has released a new product.
Defatoxin precipitate. Right. Looks like it's the same so far. Then we need to mix it again. Uh-oh. We may not have enough room for all this. Because I'm going to have to move this way over here.
Research complete. Invalid position.
I'm going to have to sell my analyzer. To hope to have enough money to get this second line going. Stop! It needs to go up. If I want to make the exact same product, it needs to go up a bunch. I could make one that's like a little weaker. Oh man, it's gonna be forever before we get another loan. We're out of cash. We're gonna have to wait. This whole line's gonna
A competitor has released a new product.
effectively sit idle while we run massive deficits.
Research complete.
We're setting up for some higher level research. It's gonna be a while before we get to that. A long while.
A competitor has released a new product.
Don't think I can do anything with this research quite yet. Oh man, we were running a huge deficit.
New world event.
They're in the antihistamine game. such a shame.
New world event.
We were so close. And we ran out of cash.
Loan repaid.
What
A
is
competitor has released a new product.
440 in loan payments? I think I gotta keep crushing my costs here. $1 a pill.
Loan repaid. A competitor has released a new product. Insufficient upgrade points. A competitor has released a new product.
I think I need to fire everyone.
New world event. New loan available.
Yeah, unless it's $500,000, it's not going to help us.
A competitor has released a new product.
Probably went a little too aggressive.
A competitor has completed a new patent.
Yeah, 40%, and we start to see massive reductions in sale through rate. Somewhere between 35 and 40. Well, no, doesn't like that either. All we need is 2 more of these, which is about $4,400.
A competitor has released a new product. New World Event.
That world event affects people who are selling insomnia drugs, and we're not doing anything with insomnia, so we're all set.
New loan available.
I would have been able to take out both. That would have worked, but 175 still not enough.
A competitor has completed a new patent. A competitor has released a new product.
If we can get our total debt down to maybe 150, or if we can get a third loan, we might have
A
enough.
competitor has released a new product.
We might have enough cash on hand to actually do something. I've had 3 executives this whole time. Oh, right. I haven't researched any of these.
New World Event.
I have to research some of that stuff still. Pandemic of skin rashes. Sadly, we're not selling anything that would help with that. Migraines and antihistamine. I'm thinking once we get in the 150 area, we'll take a look at it.
A competitor has released a new product. New loan available.
Okay, well, that also works. There we go.
New world event.
First off, let's bring back our research crew. And let's get some sales rep action going. And some desert expeditions going. Yeah, so adding that little extra.
Research complete.
As well. Let's go with globalization next.
Research complete.
%10 sales, though our sales are pretty good. 20% sales, but the risk of bad publicity. 3% sales for this and all other products of the same type, pill, cream, etc. 4% sales for this and all cross-promoted products, requires advertising. Preventative aftercare prevents this product from permanently curing patients. That's rude. Alright, I think I'm just gonna increase my own sales here. Do a clinical trial and then publicize the results, or just increase sales. With
A
that,
competitor has completed a new patent.
with that increase in sales, I'd like to increase the price, but it looks like that's not in the cards. Ooh, we should come back down. Right about there, it looks like. Okay, maybe not.
New world event.
All right. A wearing new legal hide nickname called Wolf Wolf is increasing the seizures. All right, we'll keep the price right around that 33% area. Reduce ongoing salary costs. Advertising.
Loan repaid.
I like the advertising idea. All right, somewhere in there looks like to be the right price. We should start looking at our next cure. Or I need to find something that's kind of gonna go well together at the level 2. Alleviates insomnia and combats ADHD. Actually, that sounds kind of cool. Thematically fun.
Insufficient funds.
A bonus for each cure in effect. I like this. We're gonna get that going. See if there's anything worth some additional
New world event.
cost adjustment.
New world event.
I mean, we've got S++ sales rating. We should be able to jack our prices.
A competitor has completed a new patent.
Female contraceptive. Blocked. If I'm going to go down that sexual health line, I'm going to have to skip that level.
New loan available.
I think that's a pretty good thing. We're probably ready to kind of leave that where it is and then attack something else here. Socket-to-socket transfer. This technology allows us to repurpose standard sockets to transfer directly between themselves rather than importing ingredients or exporting finished products. Access this ability via the auxiliary menu on the production tab. Well, that's good. That sounds like it would have let you move things from like this factory floor to this factory. I kind of want to see, I'm tempted to go straight to satchel maker, but I don't think I can fit. So if I were going to do that, then I would need to consider researching. What am I going to research? This and this. But let's do that. I think we've given ourselves a bit of a base to work off of. Bad publicity. A journalist has uncovered that you gave gifts to doctors to increase sales rating of this product. They have published a story with the following effect: -5% sales rating. I think we're doing okay. I'm going to speed up time here. And we're about to call this. How much?
New world event. New world event.
Oh boy. Antidepressants. Everything else is reverting to normal. Okay. Pause for a moment and see what the satchel maker looks like. The maker. Yeah, it's huge compared to what we are currently using. We'd have to put it somewhere else. I think we want to get this socket-to-socket transfer going. But let's deal with that in the next episode. We're right over an hour. So we got our initial factory going. We've done a lot of good research. I'm saving the research points over here so we can dump them into the satchel bonus, or sachet bonus. It's 30. The pill bonus is 35. Yeah, 35 at level 4 or 35 at level 2. And then sachet bonus per cure. Per cure. Yeah, that we need to switch that over to that pill. That's going to be amazing. But we'll see it in the next episode. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you next time.